How to disable HDR mode on Instagram. Finally, Instagram does have a built-in high dynamic range to toggle, and here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Instagram profile. Then again, once on your profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboards at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on the media quality. Once inside the media quality, you will get to see the HDR option available there. If it is toggled on, as in if the switch is blue, then simply toggle that switch off and make it to gray. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.